Okay, students. So, chalo, let us solve. Let us continue with 5.3, right? 5.3. So let us continue with that. Uh, what is the question? Fourth question number 4. A 1 minus 1, B 0 comma 4, C minus 5 3 are vertices of a triangle. Then find the slope of each side. So we have been told that we have a triangle, vertices of a triangle. We just need to find the slope of each side. So if we have a triangle, how many sides it has? Three sides, right? So which three slope you have to find? You have to find slope AB. Okay, then what you will find? Then slope BC, and then what you will find? Slope AC. So these three slopes you have to find. So how would you find the slope? Like what is the formula? It is same as what we did last time, right? If you know the coordinates, the formula for slope is very simple. It is simply y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Use that formula. Okay, so you should be able to find the slope. Okay, so this is very simple. I don't think we need to again do this as we have solved this earlier. So if you have doubts how to do the calculation, please refer the previous questions. Okay, so let me go to the next question now. Question number 5. Okay, what is question number 5? Show that a minus 4 minus 7, b minus 1 comma 2, c 8 comma 5, d 5 minus 4 are the vertices of a parallelogram. Okay, so what you have to show here that these 4 points, they form a parallelogram. That is what you need to show. So how would we show that, right? So many different methods are there. So but here we will try to use the slopes method. Okay, we'll use the slope method. So how do we do that? Let us try to do that part. So first, if I suppose I find slope AB, so let me just find slope AB. What will be slope AB? Simply y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So it is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So you have to write that let A be x1 y1, B be x2 y2, that way. Okay, so what will be the slope then? 2 minus minus 7 upon minus 1 minus minus 4. That will be the slope, right? So what will be for 2 plus 7? That will be 2 plus 7 upon minus 1 plus 4. That will be 9 upon 3. That will be 3. The slope of AB. Now let us find slope BC. Slope BC. How do you find slope BC? Again same formula. Okay, so let B be, say we had taken this as x2 y2, so let this be x3 y3 C. So if I call this as say x2 y2, I can call this as x3 y3. No problems. ना फॉर्मूला थोड़ा सा चेंज हो जाएगा. क्या ले सकते हैं? y3 minus y2 upon x3 minus x2, right? So what will that be now? 5 minus 2 divided by 8 minus minus 1, right? तो क्या हो जाएगा? 3 upon 9, that will be 1 upon 3. Okay, so this is slope BC. Now what should we do? Let us find slope CD. So are you getting what I am doing? I am finding the slope of all the sides of the quadrilateral. I'm not calling it still a parallelogram. I will prove it to be a parallelogram. Here it is a parallelogram or not? It has to be, because we have to prove. So it should come out as a parallelogram. So same way I can write this as maybe x4 y4, and I can use the formula. What will I write now? y4 minus y3 upon x4 minus x3 क्या आ जाएगा? -4 minus 5 upon 5 minus 8. What will that be? -9 upon -3. That will be 3. So last slope, what should I find now? Which is remaining now? AB हो गया, BC हो गया, CD हो गया. तो AD बच गया, right? So you can just, how do you find it? Just try to make a diagram, no? It will be simpler for you. Just suppose this is a parallelogram, A, B, C, D, right? Coordinates are given. So A, B, B, C, C, D हो गया, तो क्या बच गया? AD. So let me find slope AD now. Slope AD. How would I find slope AD now? So A तो x1 y1 लेंगे हम लोग, x1 y1. So क्या आ जाएगा बताइए? फॉर्मूला क्या आ जाएगा? y4 माइनस y1 अपॉन क्या हो जाएगा? x4 माइनस x1. Right? So I hope you remember कि you can change the order. So like y4 minus y1 I can take as y1 minus y4, and x4 minus x1 also, then I have to take as x1 minus x4. That you can interchange. But if you interchange, then interchange both the numerator as well as denominator. Only one, if you interchange, it is a problem. You have to interchange both in the formula. Like if this I call as the original formula. This is what we always use, right? If you remember, I'm sorry. So if you remember, this is what we always use. तो इसको मैं ऐसे भी लिख सकता हूँ ये फॉर्मूला को. राइट इट हियर, y1 minus y2 अपॉन x1 minus x2. दोनों को चेंज करना है, न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर. सिर्फ एक को नहीं करना है अगर आप दूसरे तरीके से लेना चाहते हो. ओके, सो आई होप यू गॉट दिस. हाँ, तो ये कैसे हो जाएगा? y4 माइनस y1 कैसे करेंगे बताइए? -4 माइनस ऑफ -7, बराबर है कि नहीं, अपॉन x4 माइनस x1 क्या आ जाएगा? 5 माइनस ऑफ -4. तो जस्ट चेक इट आउट. इट इज -4 plus 7 upon 5 plus 4. So that is what? -3 upon 9. Sorry, plus 3 upon 9. So -4 plus 7 is +3. That is what now? 1 upon 3. 1 upon 3. So check that. Now check what is happening. Slope BC is equal to slope AD. Both are 1 upon 3. Slope AB is equal to slope CD. Remember that. So if you want to rename this part now, if you want to rename this, right? If you want to rename this, slope BC and slope AD are same. Check that out. So BC and AD, they are same. If I write the slope here, I am writing the slope, remember, not the side. I am writing the slope. So let me write M. Say M1 here. M1 कितना आ गया? BC का 1/3. और ये भी आ गया AD का भी. M1 is 1/3. M1 means the slope. AP का स्लोप कितना आया? M2 कितना? 3. और CD का भी 3 आया, M2. That means slopes of the opposite sides are equal. Slopes of the opposite sides are equal, है ना? Slopes of opposite sides are equal. So what is the meaning of that? If I say the slopes of opposite sides are equal, therefore opposite sides should be parallel. Are parallel. ये तो हमने पढ़ा था लास्ट लेक्चर में. If slopes are equal or if two lines are parallel then their slopes are equal. तो उसका उल्टा भी तो ट्रू है. अगर स्लोप इक्वल है तो साइड्स भी पैरेलल रही है, लाइंस भी पैरेलल रही है. सो देयरफॉर वी कैन से दैट what we can say now, that what we will say here, AB is parallel to CD, है ना. Side AB is parallel to side CD, and what else we will say, side BC, segment BC is parallel to AD. Okay, so therefore we can say that ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram, right? So I hope you got this part. ठीक है. Let us take one more question. What is being told in this one? देखो, find K if R1 minus 1 S minus 2K and its slope of line RS is minus 2. तो थोड़ा सिंपल क्वेश्चन है, आई थिंक, राइट. आपको K निकालना है और what is given ये है कि slope of line RS, segment RS is minus 2. So what is the formula for slope, right? So what I will tell first before that, R1 minus 1 को मैं क्या बोल दूंगा, let it be what, x1 comma y, और S minus 2 comma k को मैं क्या बोल दूंगा, x2 comma y2 बोल दूंगा, है ना. अब तो स्लोप का फॉर्मूला क्या है, स्लोप ऑफ RS क्या आ जाएगा, y2 माइनस y1 अपॉन x2 माइनस x1. बट स्लोप तो दिया है, कितना दिया स्लोप देखो ऊपर, -2. सो -2 इज y2 माइनस y1 करेंगे तो क्या आ जाएगा, k माइनस -1 अपॉन x2 माइनस x1 -2 -1. सो यहाँ पे अगर कैलकुलेशंस करेंगे तो therefore -2 इक्वल टू k plus 1 upon -3. So therefore 6 equal to k plus 1. So therefore k equal to 6 minus 1. Therefore k equal to 5. आ गया आंसर आपका, राइट. सो k कितना आ गया, k कितना आ गया, 5. दिस इज द फाइनल आंसर. Okay, so I have to write the final answer like this. The value of k is 5. What is k here? By the way, k क्या है, k तो y coordinate है, याद रखना. k is nothing but the y coordinate of point S, है कि नहीं, right? Sure. So I hope you got this simple question, so you can see it's not very difficult.